Hi everyone. I see. These are rocks. Look at all the rocks.
Look.
We are up on a canopy walkway. We're up really high.
Oh, Mama. Trees.
These are palm trees.
Hey, Dad.
Oh, there's a bird. Oh, Mateo found a puddle. Oh, what's this?
A beach.
Shells.
Just such a thing.
You gonna pick some shells?
Yes. I just apples.
We have some blue flowers here. Ooh, I see a mushroom. There's a tiny white butterfly. There is a bird at the top of this tree. Look, there is a dragonfly. We saw so many things today on our walk. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything as much as we did.